Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is Klepon muffins. Klepon is actually Indonesian traditional cake made of glutinous rice flour, and inside the cake, and it's always shaped round, and inside the cake there's palm sugar. So when you bite it, the palm sugar is melting out, bursting out. It's really nice, and the cake itself will be rolled the cake itself rolled in grated coconut. However, because this is muffins, this is just inspired by Klepon. And Klepon is always green, colored and flavored with pandan, which is screw pine leaf, and the following muffins is with screw pine leaves paste, and the inside has brown sugar. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is 2 cups of flour, half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. We're just gonna mix this until completely combine and make a well in the center. What I have here is 1 cup of milk with 2 whole eggs. Can't see the eggs, but they are in. 6 tablespoons of canola oil, and we're gonna add in about 1 teaspoon of pandan paste. The pandan paste is into it. As you can see, there's tiny bit of greenish there, and we're gonna mix this using our food processor until completely combined. It's nicely green. Just put it into your dry ingredients, and then add in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened desiccated coconut, and we're gonna mix this until just combine. Like so. Now we're gonna pour per 1/4 cup to our greased muffin pan. Again, it's 1/4 cup, and then you'll see what I'll be filling it with. So I have this hardened brown sugar, which is just perfect because it's cube, and you can use brown sugar cube if you like. The original cake has Java sugar or palm sugar, so it's really nice. And then we're gonna top it with another half cup of batter. We're gonna bake this on preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. Cut from oven, brush the top with muffin or dip it with maple syrup like so, and then roll it on salted coconut.